Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ainur Afida binti Kamarudin. My number card matric is H2483934. So, today I will present to you guys in the subject financial management. So, first thing first, I'm gonna tell you guys about the introduction from two companies that are from. First is IHH Healthcare Berhad, and the second company is Nova Wellness Group Berhad. So, as we know, Malaysia healthcare industry is growing fast because people are more health conscious. Technology is improving and also the population is aging. So from IHH Healthcare Berhad is the one of the largest private healthcare provider in the world. So it runs a famous hospital like Pantai, Gleneagles, and also Prince Court. It's known for patient safety and international standard. For the second company is Nova Wellness Group Berhad. It's focusing on preventive health. So it is producing the nutraceutical and health food through the Nova laboratories with strong emphasis on quality and innovation. So from these two companies, we all know that IHH provide treatment while the Nova company promote the prevention. So we trust from these two companies that are gonna make a complete healthcare ecosystem and strengthen Malaysia's healthcare industry for the future. Thank you.
Okay, today I would like to present about company background for IHH Healthcare Berhad and Nova Wellness Group Berhad. For IHH Group Berhad is a global private healthcare group based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Found in 2010, operate over 80 hospital across 10 countries. The company provides specialist medical service through brands such as Pantai Hospital, Prince Court Medical, Parkway, and so on. Okay, IHH focus on high qualities, technology driven and patient central healthcare with a vision to build the world's most trusted healthcare network. For Nova Wellness Group Berhad is a health and nutrition company established. It develop and market evidence-based healthcare product to support healthy lifestyle and prevents chronic disease. The company is known to research innovations and plant-based products such as Hepar P capsule. Its vision is to help achieve their highest potential through better health. Okay, that's all. Okay, ratio analysis for IHH Healthcare Berhad in 2023 and 2024. First, liquidity ratios. Current ratios 2023 is 3.68, able to cover short-term liabilities. For 2024 is 12.42, significant stronger liquidity. For quick ratio is in 2023 is 3.68, strong liquidity without inventories. Okay, for 2024 is 12.42, major improvement in short-term strength. For cash ratio, 2023 is 0.29, limited cash coverage of short-term debts. For 2024 is 0.32, slight improvement in cash positions. Okay, for efficiency ratios, for total asset turnover, 2023 is 0.03, low efficiency in asset uses. For 2024 is 0.06, better use of asset to generate sale. For account receivable turnover, 2023 is 5.39, slow collection from customer. For 2024 is 6.74, faster collection and better credit control. For inventory turnover, 2023 is 54, lower inventory efficiency for 2024 is 903. Highest improve inventory management. Okay, for solvency ratios, debt to equity ratios, 2023 is 1.51, moderate reliance on debts. 2024 is 1.58, slight increase in debt uses. For leverage level, uses leverage level. For debt to asset ratio, 2023 is 1.51, stable leverage level. 2024 is 1.58, highest debt financial. For interest coverage ratio, for 2023 is 117, 1.75, good ability interest. 2024 is 218 and 2500, much lower credit. For profitability ratios, return on equity ROE, 2023 is 7.00%, highest return to shareholder. For 2024 is 5.00%, decline in shareholder return. For return on asset ROA, 2023 is 7.00%, better asset profitability. For 2024 is 5.00, reduce asset profitability. Okay, net profit margin 2023 is 4.22 percent, lower inventory efficiency. For 2024 is 9.21%, significant decline profits. That's all from me.
Okay, next I will present the trend analysis of Nova Wellness Group Berhad. Firstly, looking at liquidity, the company's current ratio improved significantly. In 2023, current assets were 55.6 million against liability of 12.5 million. In 2024, liabilities dropped to 4.9 million while assets remain stable. So this shows that Nova Wellness is now in a much stronger position to meet short-term obligation. And then secondly, efficiency ratios show positive trend that trade receivable decreased from 23.6 million to 21.7 million, which indicate faster collection and better credit management. Inventory also declined, suggesting more efficient stock control and reduced holding costs. And then thirdly, in terms of solvency, total liabilities fell sharply from 12.5 million in 2023 to 4.5 million in 2024. So this reduction means that the company is less dependent on debt financing. So with equity rising to 109.8 million, Nova Wellness is financially more stable and less risky for creditors. And then lastly, profitability show a mixed picture. Revenue decreased from 45.5 million in 2023 to 40.8 million in 2024. So, however, retained earning increased from 54.7 million to 49.1 million. So, this suggests that although sales declined, the company managed its costs effectively and still generated higher net profit.
I would like to present about comparison of analysis liquidity ratio for both company in 2024. Current ratio for IHH Healthcare Berhad, we got 12.42. For Nova Wellness Group Berhad, we got 10002.59. It showed that Nova Wellness Group Berhad has a stronger short-term financial position to cover current liabilities. For quick ratio, we got the same calculation for both companies. It showed that Nova Wellness Group Berhad has the highest ability to pay short-term obligation without relying on inventory. For net working capital, we got 354 for IHH Healthcare Berhad and 360.7070 for Nova Wellness Group Berhad. Nova Wellness Group Berhad has more working capital than IHH Healthcare Berhad.
So I'm gonna do a comparison of analysis efficiency ratio for both company in 2024. So I'm gonna start for company ratio is efficiency ratio. Is the first thing first is inventory turnover. For inventory turnover, we got nothing from both companies, like from IHH Healthcare Berhad and also the Nova Wellness Group Berhad. We got nothing from that both company about the inventory turnover. So we go to the next is total asset turnover. So from sale, start from total asset turnover, we got the first company is IHH Healthcare Berhad. Is sales is 1,228. For total asset, we got the 20821. So equal, we got the 0.50. From the Nova Wellness Group Berhad, we got the sales is a 4023129. So for the total asset, we got the 6211868. Equal that we got the 0.064. So include the IHH Healthcare Berhad has a higher total asset turnover with the 0.50 than Nova Wellness Group Berhad of the 0.064. This is indicate show that IHH Healthcare Berhad has a better asset than Nova Wellness Group Berhad. So we go to the next, the account receivable turnover. So for sale in the IHH Healthcare Berhad is we got the 1,228. So account receivable, we got the 36048,601 that equal 3.406. So from Nova Wellness, we got the sales of 4023129, and account receivable, we got the 36048,601, equal that we got the 0.112. So I include this. IHH Healthcare Berhad has the higher account receivable turnover with the 6.406 than Nova Wellness Group Berhad that got 0.112. This is indicate that IHH Healthcare Berhad has a better receivable turnover than Nova Wellness Group Berhad. So I go to the last efficiency ratio is fixed asset turnover. So IHH Healthcare Berhad is got the sale about the 1,228. For the fixed asset, IHH Healthcare Berhad got the 2602558 and equal for 4.72. For Nova Wellness, we got sales is 4,023,129, and fixed asset we got the 2602558 equal by 0.154. So I include this fixed asset turnover is IHH Healthcare Berhad has a higher fixed asset turnover with a 4.72 than Nova Wellness Group Berhad with a 0.154. This is indicate that IHH Healthcare Berhad has a better fixed asset than Nova Wellness Group Berhad. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Nodayana Natasha binti Kara Arifin and number metric is H2483317. So today I want to present my part is comparison of analysis solvency ratio for both company. First, debt to equity ratio. The formula is total debt divided total shareholder equity. For IHH Healthcare Berhad's company, the total ratio is 30/30 divided by 20788 and we get the answer 1.58 and we change the answer into the percent, we get 0.16%. For the Nova Wellness company, total equity total debt is 36000 divided by 62082668 and we get the answer 5.80 and we change the answer into the percent is 0.58%. So, IHH Healthcare Berhad has a lowest debt on equity of 1.58 times the Nova Wellness Group Berhad of 5.80 times. This indicates that IHH Healthcare Berhad a worse handle on equity compared than Nova Wellness Group Berhad. Secondly, debts to asset ratio. The formula is total debts divided by total assets. For the IHH Healthcare company, total debt is 33 and divided by 20821 and we get the answer 1.58 and change into the answer percent is 0.16. For Nova Wellness per company, total debt is 36000 divided 62118668 and we get the answer 5.79 and we change into the percent is 0.58%. So IHH Healthcare Berhad has the lowest debt ratio on assets of 1.58 times than Nova Wellness Group Berhad, which means of 5.79 times. This indicates show that IHH Healthcare Berhad has a lower debt compared to Nova Wellness Group Berhad. Thirdly is the interest coverage ratio. The formula is a little bit different, which means earnings before interest and taxes, EBIT divided by interest expenses. So for the IHH Healthcare company, IBIT is 1121 divided by 1065 and we get the answer 1.05 and change to the percent, we get 0.105%. For the Nova Wellness Berhad Group company, EBIT is 3685915 divided 337441 and the answer is 1.09 and we change the percentage of the answer is 0.109%. IHH Healthcare Berhad has a lowest time interest earning of 1.05 times while Nova Wellness Group Berhad has a higher time of interest earned which is 1.0 times. That means Nova Wellness Group Berhad is the higher time which firm can meet loan requirement and lower risk of default rather than IHH Healthcare Berhad. That's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Nurnisa Uzma binti Ibrahim and my metric number H24A3548. I will present comparison of analysis profitability ratio for both company in 2024. First, return of equity. IHH Hill has lower equity about 5.37%. Meanwhile, Novel Wellness Group has higher equity percent about 5.94%. Second, return on asset. IHH Hill has lower return investment about 5.48%. Meanwhile, Novel Wellness Group has higher return investment about 5.93%. Third, gross profit margin. IHH Hill has lower profit margin about 95.16%. Meanwhile, Novel Wellness Group has higher profit margin about 100%. Next, operating margin. IHH Hill has lower operating margin about 4.80%. Meanwhile, Novel Wellness Group has higher operating margin about 91.61%. And lastly, net profit margin. IHH Hill has lower percent net profit margin about 91.20%. And last, Novel Wellness Group has higher percent of net profit margin about 91.64%. That's all from me. Thank you.
I would like to present about the overall analysis. For liquidity, Novel Wellness got extremely high ratios. IHH got balanced ratios. Solvency, IHH got moderate debt ratios and high interest coverage and low financial risk. Nova got high debt ratios, lower coverage and higher financial risk. For operational efficiency, IHH got high receivable and inventory turnover. Nova got higher asset turnover and better asset utilization. Profitability, Nova gross margin is 100%, net margin is 91.64%. For operating margin, 4.80%, which is higher operating cost. The conclusion is IHH have a stable efficiency and low risk. Nova, profitable and liquid but debt heavy.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hello everyone. My name is Alia Maisara binti Ibrahim. My matrix number is H24A3612. For today, I will present about conclusions. So, for conclusion for this assignment, based on both IHH Healthcare Berhad and Novel Wellness Group Berhad, these two companies give a very different financial strengths. This is because IHH Healthcare Berhad shows a steady progress in its liquidity and efficiency ratios, meaning it is getting better at managing its asset and collecting receivables. However, its profitability tells another story, which is its return on assets and net profit margins have slipped, which suggests that while the company is financially stable. It is finding it harder to turn that stability into strong profits. For Nova Wellness Group Berhad, it's in contrast stands out for its extremely high liquidity. The company has more than enough short-term resources to cover its obligations, which puts it in a very strong financial position. But this strength comes with some weaknesses, which is its efficiency ratios show that it is slower at using assets to generate sales and at collecting receivables, which could affect cash flow if left unchecked. Profitability remains impressive, with high net and gross margins, but the downward trend in returns on equity and assets signal that the company is not using its resources as effectively as before. Overall, IHH Healthcare Berhad and is building stability and improving operation, but need to focus on profitability. While Nova Wellness enjoys outstanding liquidity and profitability, but must work on efficiency and debt management. Both companies reflect different strategies, which is IHH is focused on sustainable healthcare expansion, while Nova Wellness emphasizes product innovation and maintaining strong liquidity. Together, the analysis shows that each company has solid foundation but also clear areas to improve if they want to strengthen their long-term growth and competitiveness. That's all for me. Thank you.